Assalamualaikum everyone and good evening. This is Azalea speaking. Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Loud and
Thank you
clear.
for agreeing to have a meeting this evening. Firstly, I would like everyone to state their name and your position so I can identify who is present in the meeting.
Okay. I will start first. My name is Zuhairi, and I'm holding the position of finance officer for this company.
Hi, my name is Mohd Aminudin, and I'm holding the operational health and safety officer, and I'm very happy because you invite me.
Hello, my name is Farid, and I'm holding the position for public relations officer for this company, and I'm happy to meet you all today.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Rashidi. Okay, I'm the training officer for this company, and nice to meet you guys this evening.
Nice to meet you all. Excellent. So the agenda of our meeting this evening is to brainstorm ideas on how to make the environment, the work environment safer, disabled friendly, and lastly is eco-friendly. So let's start with ideas on how to make the work environment safer. Mr. Amin, would you like to start?
Okay, so I will start how to make our workplace become more safer. So first of all, I think we need to put more CCTV around our office to make sure we know who is coming out into our office, and then maybe we can put some technology such as thumbprint, because nowadays I see a lot of office use that, and it is more easier than before. No need to punch card, and we know who attend the office. Okay.
Next, would anyone like to add anything?
Okay,
Okay, go on.
in my opinion, I think that we need to strengthen the number of security guard for our office, because right now the security guard for our office is only 2% at a time, and I think it can hardly cover for the entire office. Maybe if we can put one more or two more security guard at a time, maybe I think their work will be easier, and the security and safety of our office will be more good after this. That's what I think. What about you guys?
May I add something?
Yes, sure.
Please.
Go ahead.
Okay. I I agree with what Aminudin and Farid said. Your idea is good, but I'm sorry. Hello,
Sorry.
hello.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay.
You can continue.
I'm agree with you guys, but I think we need to go to the base of the problem. It can be managed by the good standard operation procedure. The SOP is very important. So as for the training for the trainer, okay, they need to know the SOP for them to work, right? If you guys installed many of CCTV, many of guards, but they didn't know the SOP of the workplace, so still there's mistakes everywhere, right? So I think the most
I
important
agree.
is
I agree.
make sure all of them know the SOP in the workplace. So So maybe we can
Okay.
make a seminar for the SOP, right?
That's a good idea. Can I hear your opinion, Zuhairi?
Yes.
Sorry.
I'm talking, on the behalf of financing. I think to make the environment safer is uh, we need to we need to use the technology of database system and our anti-hack system and improve our security system of our data, because nowadays more more cases that people can hack into our system and disrupt our database and our finance calculation. So I think to make the environment safer on the financing is to increase the security of our database.
Okay, good. How about you, Afif? What do you think? May I suggest something to you, Afif? Maybe you can have a plan of emergency pathway for the workers to be displayed throughout the building. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So to conclude on this first agenda, I think I will go for our training officer, Shidi, idea about having a seminar training for the workers. Shidi, do you mind taking over the project?
Yes, sure. No problem.
Okay, great. So let's move on to our next agenda, which is to brainstorm ideas on how to make our work environment more disabled friendly. Anyone would like to start first? Volunteer?
Okay, let me start first.
Okay,
But
Zuhairi. Go on.
from the aspect of financial, I think disabled person that maybe did not have the time and limited to come to our office and make a financing activities. So that I will suggest we go to the online banking or online transfer for the disabled person. And other than that, uh, we can imp- uh, we can put a what we call that support, like as you know, for the blind person, they cannot see from the touch screen, or they cannot see, so we can put a audio method, like by our workers, to help them, to guide them for their activities with us.
I'm sorry, Zuhairi.
Sorry.
Sorry, Zuhairi. Okay. Do you mean you want to you suggest to use like a personal attendance or personal like you guys ever use the service of personal shopper?
I
Means
mean,
that you assign
like for the customer service,
so means like
where the
you want to assign people type those okay use right.
sorry.
You want you want to assign people to help those okay use
Yes,
those with the
with
person
the
right.
online transfer.
Okay, so let's be clear that you actually want to assign new people to help those disabled person to do the online transfer like that.
Yes, but from our team. So
Okay,
that
okay, okay.
they can, like, for example, as in blind person, or I choose an example of a blind person. They can contact our company, and the customer service will guide them to their purpose of contacting us.
Uh,
This
can I
will
add something
for
about
our
what
clients.
Zuhairi just said right now? I
Okay,
think
yes,
I
Farid. Go
I
ahead.
think I completely get, and I also partially agree with what you point out just now in our meeting, because I think that you want to make our company is environmental disabled friendly for our customer, right?
Yes.
Right, Mr. Zuhairi? Okay, I totally get it. But in my point of view, I think we need to focus on the facility in our company, especially in our office and other workplace of our company, to make their disabled friendly for our workers. Because me, as the public relations officer, I think we need to do a campaign, or I need to do to promote our company as a disabled friendly company, because this can enhance and increase, also convince our stakeholders and our customers to purchase or to joint venture with our company or to invest in our company. Because as far as I know, there's not a lot of company that are this environmental disabled friendly for their workers, right? And that can be a great thing to in order to promote our company. Maybe some of people can say that this is a marketing strategy, but me, as a public relation officer, I think this is a step that we need to take in order to make our office environmental disabled friendly, and in order to do a marketing for our company. That is my point of view as a public relations officer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Farid, for that. Anyone else would like to add?
Okay. As I said before,
Hello, Aminudin, you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. Okay, proceed. Yeah.
Wait. Aminudin who is the one who record this, right?
okay, I'm sorry for
Aminudin.
that because connection lost. Okay.
Okay.
I want
Okay.
to continue back my point.
You want to go there? Yeah,
So
sure.
as I,
Sure, you can continue.
okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay. As I said
No problem.
before, we put a ramp for our, maybe our worker can use it, because some of them may be tired or have a difficult day, so it will make easier, and it is important for them to use, because sometimes they cannot walk properly.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, that's all.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's excellent. Shidi, do you have anything to add, or can we conclude on
Um,
this agenda?
no. I think I stand with Farid where we need to focus more on the disabled friendly environment office.
Okay, excellent. So for this part, I agree with Aminudin by with the establishing the ramp for the disabled so that they can access into the workplace easier. And I also agree with Farid explaining about the campaign to give awareness to the workers. So can I suggest that this part of the project for Aminudin and Farid to discuss together after this?
Yes,
Sure,
I
no
will
problem.
try to fully commit on this project. Thank you.
We will discuss
Mr.
and
Chairman.
send budget to our
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. All right,
Okay,
moving on to our last agenda, which is brainstorming ideas to make the work environment eco-friendly. Rashidi, do you like to say your opinion on this? Would you like to say your opinion on this?
For eco-friendly, I think maybe we can support our officers to use our company transport. Like maybe we can serve buses or vans for our officers, so they don't need to use their own cars, right? And then we can lessen the space for parkings, so we can plant more trees, right? So I think
Okay, I hear you.
that's my idea for this eco-friendly environment in our office. That's all.
Okay, good. Zuhairi, what do you think on this eco-friendly
I have
idea?
made a research. I've made a study about that.
Mhm.
I can see that to make our company, to make our work environment is eco-friendly, is we can replace the hard copy statement with the printed statement. No, I mean soft copy, and give it to our workers, like there's a payment slip. We can the unnecessary one we can make the use type of soft copy, and only the important one, such as I think maybe a payslip or some statement, important statement. Only the crucial part we can use the hard copy. So by this method we can save the paper that we use and get more eco-friendly.
Okay, so you're suggesting that we go paperless, and
Yes,
we can also save from printing machines, right?
yes.
Okay. Afif, would you like to say anything? Mhm.
Yes, I think I'm completely agree with what you and Zuhairi just point out right now, because you know that our company has spent a lot on the papers, right, in order to make it a hard copy. All of the documents, the the financial document, whatever document is all in hard copy. Why don't we change our company to more online based document? You know, I think that we can save a lot on that, and we also can make our company more eco-friendly. And what I think, one other thing that most important in order to make our company is environmental friendly is that we need to set up hour every day. And what I mean is, after office hours, maybe after 7, we need to shut down all the electricities in the office, because actually there are a lot of our workers that are still working in that hour, still doing overtime. But I think in these days, in order to make our office eco-friendly, we need to put boundaries on the times that they can do overtime, because it can save a lot of energy, right?
Yes.
Yes, because we spend a tons on the electricity and water and other things such as that. That's my point of view about this
Okay.
matter.
Thank you, Farid, for that very informational and good point. So for this agenda, we've got that Zuhairi suggests that we go paperless, and then Afif suggests that we have recycle bins, and Farid suggested that we have more online-based meetings or such, and also save electricity and set boundaries, right? Did I get it all right?
Before that, can I add
Mm-hmm.
something?
Sure, no problem.
Aminudin, are you there?
I think the internet
Okay,
doesn't want me to
as
say
a
something.
health officer, I want to change
Okay.
our air environment,
Air
which
environment,
is
okay.
because all worker work inside the office, so that's why we need to change that, because the fresh air will help them to more productive, more calm. Okay, so they don't
Okay.
need to
Okay. Are you suggesting
inhale
that?
air pollution from outside.
Air pollution, okay, I heard that.
Okay, so this is important for us.
Yes, it is. Thank you for that. All points are really great, and I really think the person in charge will need to take into all of this consideration. Can I have Zuhairi to be in charge of this project?
Yes, I
Great.
can do it.
Okay. So we are done with our agenda today. So let's conclude everything. Okay, so for the first agenda just now was the safety, and I had Rashidi to be in charge of that, right? To make training and seminar for the workers.
Yes.
Also, I think you should also consider of increasing the security. Okay.
Yes. Right. No
Okay, the
problem.
second one was disabled friendly, and I made Farid and Aminudin in charge of this project, right? So I think
Yes.
you guys can talk about establishing ramps and disabled parkings and the campaigns that you've mentioned. Okay?
Okay. Great.
And last one just now is Zuhairi will be in charge of the eco-friendly project.
Yes.
Okay, would anyone like to add anything or have any objection?
I think to achieve my project, which is eco-friendly and go paperless, when with Farid's suggestion, we go full online system. So we can improve our maybe we can improve our internet in the office, so that the job will become easier.
Sure, yes.
That's a
Do
good
look
point.
into that as well. Yep.
Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, is there any other business? No? If there isn't, then before we leave, can we set our next meeting in 2 weeks' time?
Yes, I'm okay with that.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
on
okay.
Thursday at 10 o'clock, is that okay?
Thursday at 10 o'clock.
I
Okay,
will
I
mark
will jot it
my
down in my
calendar.
schedule.
I will tell you if I have any problems with that later.
Okay, great. So that is all for today. Thank you for attending this meeting, and this meeting is adjourned.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.